Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to duplicate questions on your Google form. So if you like the formatting of a question, you just want to duplicate it to save yourself some time when creating the next question. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is go over whatever question you want to copy. Just select that question, and there should be a little copy icon next to the trash bin that says duplicate question. Go ahead and select that, and then the question has been duplicated. You can modify it from this point forward, and now it's operating as a separate question. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Bye.